Yes, Agent Mater.
I need that thing you done before to get me away from the Queen.
Request acknowledged.
Mater? I need you to do the shoot. The second time, not the first.
Deploying shoot.
Well, before I got the password, I erased him.
Why do birds suddenly appear?
All right, kids, this better be good. I was in the forest wrestling with a bear claw when we got the call.
How would you like to wake up at 6? 7?
You mustard!
Oh my God, who the hell cares? Who the hell cares?